Hello, beautiful. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be working on Releve. This has been a request, and I'm more than happy to review this Releve technique, which is a footwork that requires a lot of calf muscle strength, okay, because it comes from the calves. So before we start, I want to make sure your posture is in order because it's all about the posture when you're dancing, walking, everyday thing. We always have to kind of see where we're at with our posture, okay, because it makes things much easier and functional. So we're going to start with the weight. You want the ear, the shoulder, the hip, the knee to be just above the arc, okay, on your foot, because it's the strongest part. So that's where you want your body to be sitting. So sometimes it takes a while for you to kind of figure it out. So if you go on the heels, it's too far back, you're out of balance. If it's too far forward, okay, so you want to find it where you feel that you're balanced. And I feel it right here. Okay, so now you want to soften the knees. You don't want to be locked. Soften the knees a bit. And then at the same time, you want to relax the pelvis. Okay, it's not tight, just relax. And you want to make sure that you're not pushing forward. You know, I'll call this the sailboat. You know, your sail is out. So let's just bring that sail back in. All right, and have a relaxed pelvis. I kind of like to put my hands here too, kind of brings my tailbone a little bit towards the floor instead of out. Okay, so relax here. I'm going to do a deep breath in, up. Okay, so I want you to expand the lungs, breathe in. And as you breathe out, I want you to relax the shoulders and roll back and let the muscles in your upper back, the trapezius, to kind of just take over. Okay, so meaning that it's just kind of, your shoulders are falling towards the back. Good, and then you want to make sure that your chin is in an L position, that you're not in a U position, you're in an L. Okay, so this helps you with your posture. So we're going to start by focusing where the weight goes when we go on Releve. I usually transfer the weight towards the big toes. Okay, so you're going to lift the heels off the floor. Okay, be in your posture. And I know it's a lot to think about, but something I'm going to just review all the time, so we get the hang of it. So we're in our proper posture, and we're going to go up, bring the heel straight up. Now, if you find that you're losing balance, you could hold the wall or a chair. So go up. I want you to press the weight against the ball of your feet towards the floor. Press against the floor. Bring it as high as you can. The muscles are contracted in your calf. Okay. And again, I'm bringing the weight towards the big toes, because if it goes outside, you're supinating outside, that's really hard on the ankle. Okay, so you go up. Don't forget, just breathe nicely. Breathe from your nose and then down. So you should feel a nice contraction from the calf, because the calf did pretty much all the work. And the ball of your feet, you press down as the calf squeezes the heel off the floor. Now, there's two ways of doing a releve. You could go straight, legs are straight. And again, pretend that there's a puppeteer pulling your sternum up, helping you. So up, 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 up. The weight on ball of the feet towards the big toes. And now you can bend the knees, keep the heels anchored, and hold it right here. Okay, so they're straight, and then there's bent knees. Straight and bent knees. Now this is on the spot. How do we travel on Releve? Okay, you need to flex the toes. So you got to flex those toes up. Heels are anchored, you flex the toes. So let's go straight up. Put the weight towards the big ball of the feet, the ball of the feet towards the big toe. Okay, so flex your right foot up and then left. So you notice the weight goes all on one foot when you're flexing. So if you're flexing the right, the weight is going all on the left. But make sure you don't sway too much. Try to keep yourself centered. You must feel the calves. Now let's bend the knees and do the same thing. Right, left. So they're not, like right now we're really also working the shins, but we're really flexing the toes up and down. Now what we're gonna do, that's gonna go smaller in order to walk forward, okay? So it doesn't have to be, okay? Just small. Whoa, I could really feel this in my calf. Drink lots of water when you do this, because yes, if you don't drink lots of water, don't have much fluid in your body, you could cramp easily. Make sure you got enough potassium and magnesium, or the selenium. All right. Okay, check it out. I'm gonna stretch that out. I'm gonna put some music on and let's do some drills on our relevés. Let's start by flexing the knees. We're gonna bend the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, good. Now I'm gonna flex the right foot for 8. Right foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, switch. Now 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now as you're flexing the feet, switch, try to spread out the toes. Now singles. And now we're gonna bring the right heel off the floor for 8, 7, 6. So you kind of peel off from the floor, roll out. Switch, left, 1, 2, 6, 7, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Last one, and single. And now we're gonna rotate and rotate the ankle. Open your toes, spread those toes. Now again, if you have a hard time with balance, make sure you have a chair around or lean against the wall. Switch the other way, rotate the other sense. And again, try to spread your toes. You could use your hands at the same time. Why not? And switch, left. And make sure you're breathing from the nose, nice and slow. And switch the other way. Okay, all right, check it out. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna start going on releve. You're gonna bring yourself up, all the way up. Heels off the floor, keep it off the floor and anchored. And now we're gonna flex. Actually, no, just stay here. And then down. Up, 4, 3, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, bring it down. And then let's do 2. Hold it up for 2 counts, and then go down. Bring it up, hold, and down. Now let's go 8, up and down, 4, 1, 2, 3. And hold, good. So now we're gonna bend the knees. So I want you to bend the knees and bring the heels off the floor. And again, pretend it's a puppeteer pulling your sternum up. Keep yourself nice and watch your posture. Relax your jaw. Okay, hold it here and then down. Okay, keep your knees flexed and we're gonna go 4 counts, hold it here, and 4 counts down. Now 2, 1, 2, down, 1, 2. Again, 1, 2, and single. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this all together. We're gonna go straight up, flex the knees, heels down, and then straight. Up, then heels down and straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Make sure you keep the weight towards the big toes. All right, now we're gonna stay up, and now we're gonna flex right foot, right, left, right, left. Breathe. And let's move forward. Small steps. Flex up, down, doesn't have to be high. Move forward. Woo, you must feel the calves then again. You could go flat and then come back to this. And let's go forward here. And back. Now bend the knees. Woo, flex. Keep the heels anchored. Good. So knees are bent. And relax. You did great. Whew. Stretch it out. So again, try to drink enough water. Take your potassium, magnesium, and selenium if you need to, if you get cramps. All right. I'll see you again soon.